new house. Welcome back to our vegan channel.
I had to be cozy today because it is freezing.
We are in the polar vortex and it is the final day of Veganuary, and I have to say I'm a little sad.
Yes and no. Honestly, like, I love making these videos, but because we have so much stuff going on right now, it is very stressful to get everything done.
Yeah.
But if it was just this,
yeah,
it would be fine.
It would be great.
Yeah.
It would be a vegan vortex.
Like last year we were able to kind of like get some stuff done ahead of time.
Yeah.
But this year,
not so much. You know what? We were struggling last year
not
too.
like this though.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Yeah, because wasn't Celebrity Big Brother in February? Yeah.
And you weren't
sick.
You didn't have your kids.
Yeah. So we just got a casual video today showing you what we had for her birthday last night, which is our lunch for today.
The last forever. It's been a tradition basically to have takeout on your birthday in this family.
Right.
But
you broke tradition.
This year I was like, no.
Tradition broken.
Number one, I want something healthy.
Yeah.
Number two, this is also one of my favorite meals right now. If not my favorite.
Agree, agree, agree.
Yeah. And number three, we're taking the money that we would have spent getting takeout and donating that to our local animal shelter.
Right.
So really, really excited about that.
It's a win-win-win.
Yeah. So basically last night we had like a Buddha bowl situation.
Right.
And these are the leftovers. So there's so much deliciousness in here.
Let me tell you, it was not without its tribulations.
Yeah.
It was not without its struggles. Because we're in the polar vortex, our oven stopped working. It would not get above 200 degrees because we have a propane gas stove. So I had it in there and I open it up and I'm like, these potatoes don't look cooked. And they've been in here for like an hour. And then I tried to bump up the temperature and it's like preheating and it shows the temperature going up as it's preheating. I'm going to do a little delivery while we're talking about this. Sean's having some vegan spaghetti here. Put it down on your table because it's hot. Alright, it's showing that it's 190, then it goes up to 200, and then it doesn't budge. And I'm like, this does not compute.
400?
Yeah, because, no, well, it said it was at 400 before.
No, I know, I'm saying we wanted 400.
Yeah, we wanted 400. And it's barely half. So, that was a disaster. We had to do some quick thinking and do the Brussels sprout, the rest of the Brussels sprout cooking in the microwave. And
I've been so
the air fryer.
Brussels sprouts lately.
Yeah.
And this is a recent thing because I used to hate them.
Yeah.
Probably because I had them in a way that
you didn't like.
I didn't like.
Yeah.
But just like roasting them with olive oil, sea salt, garlic, and onion powder.
Mm-hmm. Lovely.
So good. It's like one of my
with the
favorite
carrots.
veggies right now. Yeah, we had carrots too. I'm just trying to show what we had.
We had some crispy tofu.
That's here.
We had some couscous with
down here.
Olive oil
also
and
one of my
roasted garlic.
favorite things right now.
Yeah. We also had some roast potatoes, which didn't cook very well in 200 degrees.
They were delicious though. You said you put the red hot seasoning on there?
Yeah, I did the red hot seasoning. I did basically the same seasoning for the Brussels sprouts with the addition of red hot.
Yeah, so good.
Thank you.
And
we got a little Gardein here because we were mixing with normals.
We also, I was wondering why you made that when we had the tofu, but it makes sense. And garlic nuts.
That didn't rise all the way.
This was another sign that the oven was not working.
Yeah, the garlic knots did not perform to their full potential.
They were a little bit doughy, but then we did save them a bit by putting them in the toaster oven.
Yeah.
So that was good.
And for the crown jewel.
So amazing.
This beautiful banana cake. Oh my goodness. This, I declare, the best cake I ever made.
Yeah, it was fan-freaking-tastic.
Vegan cakes are known for being crumbly. Even if you use flax and egg replacer, they're just not as stodgy and substantial as a regular bakery cake. But this one had 4 bananas in it, and it had peanut butter in it, and it had just a little bit of oil. and it held together beautifully.
Mm-hmm.
That was before the oven stopped working, thankfully.
Yeah.
Because the temperature dropped right after the cake came out of the oven.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, the temperature dropped outside. The polar vortex came through with the snow squall. And thankfully, we made the cake earlier in the day. Otherwise, that would have been a total fart, too.
Yeah, if you guys are interested in that recipe, it's on our channel, the video before this.
Yeah.
I highly, highly, highly recommend it.
I highly recommend getting the extra tall birthday candles for the cake as well. So classy.
They made it look so, so good.
Yeah.
I just want to thank you for cooking yesterday. Because
oh, you're welcome.
Like I said, usually we get takeout and it's like a break for you as well.
Yeah.
You did birth all of us.
Yeah.
So you deserve a day off too. But I like that we kind of cooked together.
Yeah.
It was fun.
I liked it. So thank you so much to you guys as well for joining us for Veganuary. Whether you're new to veganism, whether you're an old vegan, if you commented, we appreciate it. If you subscribed, we appreciate it. We hope you guys stick around. We're planning on doing Veganuary every year.
I want it to be a thing.
I want it to be a thing too.
I want it to be like Vlogmas.
But yeah.
In January.
But for January, Veganuary.
Yeah.
It is in like the UK. I want to bring it here. Bring it to America. We're trying.
Yeah.
But we need your help. If you are a vegan and you have a YouTube, consider making...
Spread the word.
Yeah. Consider making daily Veganuary videos. We'll subscribe to you if you make videos. Why not? Let's spread the message.
Yep.
So we're going to have lunch. And again, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And until February, much love.